Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to do this quick messy hairstyle. I've just sectioned off a few pieces of hair around the hairline and clipped these out of the way for later. To start, we're going to take our thumbs and go from the top of the ears, angle them upwards slightly until they meet together in the middle. So you've got a top section of hair that's an upside down horseshoe shape, and just clip that out of the way until later. Next, divide that bottom section into 2 equal parts and pop that right hand section into a low ponytail. And then just repeat that on the left hand side. Next, apply some texture spray and use your fingers to pinch and pull at the hair so it's not so tight. Go ahead and release that top section, and using a brush just smooth this out and gather it to the back of the head, and then just secure it with another elastic band, creating another ponytail. So you should be left with 3 ponytails. Apply some more texture spray all over the top of the head and use your fingers to pinch and pull small sections of hair, and then just secure this in place with a bit of hairspray. And repeat this over the entire head. Next, take that middle ponytail and twist it tightly, and then we're going to pass this under the left hand ponytail and then bring it over to the right hand ponytail, and just secure that in place with a bobby pin or 2. Secure the left hand side of it to the head also with a couple of bobby pins. Apply some more texture spray to that twist and then use your fingers to pinch and pull that twist so it's nice and voluminous. Now we're going to take that ponytail on the left and we're going to do the same thing. So we're going to twist it towards the head, and we're just going to bring that over to the right hand side and just lay it on top of that right hand ponytail elastic, and then just secure that to the head with a bobby pin or 2. Apply some texture spray to the twists and pinch and pull. Next, gather that right ponytail and any tail ends, twist it towards the head, but this time we're going to bring it over to the left hand side, and we want this to lie underneath the previous 2 twists. So once you've got that in position at the bottom left hand side of the head, just secure it with a bobby pin or 2. Again, apply some texture spray and pinch and pull at that twist so it's nice and messy. And now with the tail ends, just take hold of them, twist them tightly and bring them to the right hand side of the head and secure with a couple of bobby pins. And if you have any tail ends, just tuck these underneath that little bun we've just made. Apply some hairspray to calm any flyaways. All the products I use today I'll pop in my description box below for you. And here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.